Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started, keeping in mind that all times are Eastern time. Monday, we've got no trade rooms. Tuesday, we start real early, 5:40 in the morning, in the room for UPS earnings. Then we'll be back in the afternoon at 3:50 p.m. for Rivian earnings and the API crude oil report. Back at 9:15 p.m. on Tuesday for Chinese CPI and PPI. Wednesday at 7 a.m. there's a report that we're watching, Wendy's earnings, but no trade room. We'll start in the trade room at 10 a.m. Wednesday for the crude oil inventory report. We'll be back at 12:30 p.m. for the 10-year note auction, and then 3:30 for Disney's earnings. Thursday at 6:15 a.m. we're in the room for Alibaba earnings, and at 8 a.m. the all-important core CPI unemployment reports, 10 a.m. for natural gas storage on Thursday, and 12:30 p.m. for the 30-year bond auction. Friday at 2 a.m. there's a British report, preliminary GDP and manufacturing and industrial production. We're just watching that report, no trade room, that's at 2 a.m. Back in the trade room Friday at 8 a.m. for a very important inflationary report, core PPI. Then we're back at 9:30 for the preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment, and at 11:30 for the WASD report. That closes out a little bit of a quiet week, but it's summer, it's August, summer trading. No matter what, you want to make your way into the trade room, learn about appointment-based trading, and join us. Hope you enjoyed the schedule, the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is Leigh Goldstein, the trading director for 10-Minute Trades. Over and out. I'll see you in the trade room.